lot of coaching sessions this week, guys. A lot of successful coaching sessions this week. And I want to start off by saying this, guys. I ask the question all the time, why me? Right? Anytime somebody books a coaching session with me, become a Patreon, I get to do a one-on-one with you if you are a professional member. A one-on-one. And the question that I typically ask is, how did you come across me? Why do you want to join the Black Heights community? Ask David that this week. Ask Gerard that this week, Brother JT. Right? Ask a lot of people that this week, Felix. And it all comes back to the same thing. And let me just tell you guys, why me? Okay? Why me? Why is it that you guys are following? Why is it that you wake up on your Saturday morning to share or to listen to information from Black Heights? Why is it? Well, one, I can tell you this. I talk about things that I've had experience with throughout my life. I am on a career journey just like many of you. Just like many of you are as well. I talk about that I'm a W-2 employee and I'm a high earning W-2 employee. I'm not rich by nobody's imagination. Yes, I make a good amount of money, but I am on a career journey to continue to boost my income. I've had an opportunity to develop from an engineer being on the technical side all the way to somebody who's not technical on the sales side, and continue to climb that ladder, meeting all of the demands and the job criteria in between. Being a technical guy just responsible for coding to a gentleman who's making over $500,000 in sales, and now continues to go up wanting to get to a GM role and ultimately a CEO role. Right? I am a person that's along this journey with you, and I talk about things that I do. I'm a real estate investor as well too. And I started in 2018 and have leveraged my investment portfolio and have grown my investment portfolio. And I talk about that. Single families and multifamily homes, to where the properties that I own, they value over $1 million, which makes me a millionaire. And that's how you can become a millionaire. I run a coaching business because I have a passion for giving back. I have a passion for giving back. I have a passion for developing people. If you look and talk to anybody along the journey who's worked with me, they will tell you, one, I was either the best manager, the best boss they ever had. They've learned a lot from me. I've motivated them because they are along with that and along on the journey with me as well too. Right? So these are the reasons why people follow me. You're not going to find me on YouTube getting into beefs, talking about stuff that I don't know what I'm talking about, right? You're not going to find me having and selling a lifestyle that I don't have. You're never going to see that at all from me. I'm a family man. I'm married for 10 years. Right? I can talk about relationships from the standpoint of what I experienced. I have 2 children, 2 beautiful children, and I work my ass off. I work my ass off for my family. Why? Because I want to leave an impact and make an impact in this world. And that's my passion as well. So that's why me, guys. It's simple as that. That is why me. Yes, I love money. That's what drives me. It allows me to have experiences and be able to provide exposure to other people that they may not have experienced. And not only that, my exposure to my kids that they may not have experienced or may not get an opportunity to experience. Right? That's why I'm always setting the boundaries. And one thing that you guys will know, if you ever get a chance to meet me, I am exactly like I am on this channel, quirky as all hell, as I am in real life. I like to have fun. I like to enjoy people. Ask members who have been with me before how they were treated, how they felt. My entire family. That's why me, guys. That's why I'm on this journey. I learn from each and every one of you as well. There's something for me to learn from every one of you, and I learn every single day in coaching calls and so forth. So that's the reason why you follow me. That's the reason why you are part of the Black Heights community. That's the reason why my Patreons are part of the Patreon. And let me tell you this, it's not about me. It's about others. I pour my time into other people because I know I'm going to be compensated for time, money. So if you book a coaching session with me, the majority of the time, or a consultation, you know that typically they are 30 to 45 minutes, but you get an hour, hour and a half, especially if I don't have back-to-backs. Sometimes 2 hours. I had Brother Christian on from Maryland last week, and he's from Angola. And he wants to make a career move. He's a carpenter, and he wants to get into tech. He booked a 30-minute coaching session with me, and it went an hour and 45 minutes. He was yawning by the time it was done, but he received so much value from the session. Okay, so I don't mind investing into others because I have a passion for it. I want to see people succeed, which reminds me of big brother, or little brother, however you want to call it, our brother Malik. Malik was up late last night. I was already in bed. Malik was up late last night. He's a Patreon member of ours, and I'm going to tell you like this, as sharp as you can be, focused as you can be. Young, wants to get it done. Brother Malik just completed his AWS CCP certification, AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, something that we talk about on this channel. We have people that are doing it. We have people that are doing it. One of the things he said to me when he sent me the message this morning, he said, Anton, you remember you did that video and you're talking about cybersecurity, and if you mix cloud with cybersecurity, you're killing it. I took what you said, I went and got my AWS CCP. Proof. Check it out. Brother Malik, Gerondon, Florida, crushing it. AWS CCP, let's give him a round of applause. You see the date on this thing. You see the date on this thing. March 26th, which is today. He finished it last night at 1 o'clock in the morning because he puts in the time. He focuses and he gets it done. Brother Christian put in the time, made a portfolio, became a support engineer from working in the warehouse. Brother Gibran built a business, continues to grow his business, hiring individuals, because he works his ass off. Brother Jonathan, Brandy's husband, put in the time. Now he's becoming a cybersecurity professional. Brother Josh, engineer, working for Toyota, said he wants to go into sales, put in the time, invested in himself, and now he's a SDR/BDR. Brother Maynard was a teacher. Now he's doing sales. Put in the time, invested in himself, got the coaching that he needed, and now he's a sales professional, getting the sales experience that's going to last him for the rest of his life. It's about results, guys. It's about results, and we have people like Brother Malik who is doing this every single day. And there's many. Brother JB, I saw on his LinkedIn, was up last night messing around with Amazon or Microsoft Power BI or in SQL or Microsoft Excel, putting that to SQL and using Power BI. These guys are putting in the work and they are getting the results. And when you do that, what happens? Your skills, your knowledge demand for you to make a higher wage. And all you got to do is ask for it. Go and get it. All the videos that I dropped last week with Brother Textual Chatter. Big money cybersecurity professional. Started off making $15 an hour. Now he's making over $160,000 a year. Results, guys. Tech is for everyone. All you have to do is invest in yourself, surround yourself with the right people, understand what career it is that you want to go towards, and you can absolutely be crushing it. Again, I want to shout out Brother Malik for crushing this certification. All right, let's jump back over here real quick.